Welcome to Wired Information, and in today's video, we will be showing you how to make 5 easy and delicious recipes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced in cooking, this video is sure to have something for you. We will be listing and instructing on how to make these dishes, so make sure to stick around until the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Spaghetti with marinara sauce. This classic pasta dish is easy to make and requires just a few simple ingredients. Here is a recipe for making spaghetti with marinara sauce. 8-ounce spaghetti. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 small onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Instructions. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions. In a large saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until it is softened, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for an additional minute. Add the crushed tomatoes, sugar, basil, and oregano to the saucepan. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the sauce to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, until it is thickened slightly. When the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and return it to the pot. Pour the marinara sauce over the spaghetti and toss to coat. Serve the spaghetti with grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. Grilled cheese sandwich. A grilled cheese sandwich is a quick and easy lunch or snack that can be made with just a few slices of bread and some cheese. To make a grilled cheese sandwich, you will need 2 slices of bread, 2 to 3 slices of cheese, such as cheddar, mozzarella, or American, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Here's how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Lay 1 slice of bread on a cutting board and top it with the cheese slices. Cover the cheese with the other slice of bread, forming a sandwich. Melt the butter in a pan over medium heat. Place the sandwich in the pan and press down gently with a spatula. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the bottom slice of bread is golden brown. Carefully flip the sandwich over and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the second slice of bread is golden brown. Remove the sandwich from the pan and let it cool for a minute or 2 before slicing it in half and serving. Simple as that. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are a simple and tasty breakfast option that can be made in just a few minutes. To make scrambled eggs, you will need 2 to 3 eggs per person. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water, optional. 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. Here's how to make scrambled eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them with a fork or whisk. You can also add a splash of milk or water to make the eggs fluffier. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add the butter or oil and let it melt. Pour the eggs into the pan and stir constantly with a spatula as they cook. Keep stirring until the eggs are fully cooked and no longer runny. Serve the scrambled eggs immediately, while they are still hot. You can serve them on their own, or with toast, bacon, sausage, or any other breakfast accompaniments you like. Now just savor up. Baked salmon. Salmon is a healthy and flavorful fish that is easy to bake in the oven. To bake salmon, you will need 4 to 6 ounces of salmon fillet per person. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil or melted butter. Lemon juice, optional. Here's how to bake salmon. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Rinse the salmon fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Season both sides of the fillets with salt and pepper. Place the salmon fillets in a baking dish or on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the salmon with olive oil or melted butter, and squeeze a little lemon juice over it if desired. Bake the salmon in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until it flakes easily with a fork. Serve the baked salmon hot, garnished with additional lemon wedges or your favorite herbs if desired. Enjoy! Caesar salad. Caesar salad is a classic salad that is easy to make and can be served as a side dish or a main course. To roast vegetables, you will need a selection of vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, parsnips, onions, bell peppers, zucchini, or squash. Olive oil or melted butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Any additional seasonings or herbs you like, such as garlic, rosemary, or thyme. Here's how to roast vegetables. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Wash and chop your vegetables into evenly sized pieces. Place the vegetables in a single layer on a baking sheet. Drizzle the vegetables with olive oil or melted butter, and season with salt, pepper, and any additional seasonings or herbs you like. Toss the vegetables to evenly coat them with the oil and seasonings. Roast the vegetables in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are tender and lightly browned. Serve the roasted vegetables hot, garnished with additional herbs or cheese if desired. Don't forget to enjoy.